Hello my friends, you're welcome once again to our channel. How you guys doing? Right, so today's video guys going to dive into Bitcoin chart and know what exactly is going on Bitcoin chart. If you'd like to make crypto money guys, this is the channel you need to subscribe to, right, as we dive into the chart proper. All right, so you remember what we told you guys before now, that we are expecting Bitcoin to actually break this low. All right, so before I dive. All right, in case you're wondering what kind of chart is this is Heikin-Ashi, right? Okay, this is a Heikin-Ashi candle kind of. So I'm switching to Heikin-Ashi because sometimes I see a lot of confirmation on Heikin-Ashi, compared to candlestick. It has a lesser noise, guys. All right, so but that's just a story on its own. So I'm going to teach you guys how to use this also to have a sniper entry in some of your trading. But whether you are using Heikin-Ashi or using candlestick, structures still remain the same. All right, structures still remain the same. That's why that we teach structures. Okay, we are not subject to indicators. We use structure. Like if you see how it is now, if I should switch over to candle, you can see exactly the same thing, guys. Whether you are using candle or you are using Heikin-Ashi, is the same structure you're going to see. All right, so let's stick to Heikin-Ashi for now. So now what are we expecting? So having confirmed that Bitcoin is breaking this low, which has broken now, so the next phase we're expecting is for Bitcoin to give us a three-wave move up, guys. All right, three-wave move up. Now remember what I told you guys, that you see there's a lot of pressure, all right, on both sides currently now. So we are expecting a three-wave move up. Then after that, another drop will come. Now, it is this drop that will now determine whether Bitcoin continues or not. All right, because after three-wave move up, this drop can become a contracting flat, or it can become a regular flat. Okay, so it can come down like this, or it can end like here. So whichever one that plays out, that will tell us the next phase of Bitcoin. Because what we'll be expecting, if it drops like this, even three-wave move down, then Bitcoin might enter to 40,000 range before it starts going up. All right, because if you take a look at what has happened in the past, let me show you. Look at what happens here. Anytime the market breaks the previous lower high, right? Look at this one, it breaks this, and the market just retraces, and down we go. Okay, so and now the Bitcoin has broken this. All right, so the market will definitely retrace, and it will give us a three-way move down before it continues higher. But there's something that you just need to pay attention. Let's go down to 4 hours. Just need to pay attention on these guys. You can see that the market is actually giving us a five-wave move down. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this 5 is coming. I expect this 5 to touch like 53,000 range. So it's after reaching this point, 53,000 range, guys, that will now expect a bounce up. All right, so in case you want to take the next trade, that means you just wait for this confirmation. Or if you go down to 1 hour, we'll be waiting for when Bitcoin breaks this, complete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at the break of these guys, expect a consolidation, and there we go. So that would be our next trade on Bitcoin, guys. Okay, so for now we are just waiting for the confirmation for this to complete. All right, so that's just by the way. If you take a look on Ethereum, now Ethereum always follows Bitcoin, as I told you guys, so we are looking at here, this is one wave drop, another wave drop. We're expecting this to drop one more, then before we have this three-wave move up, and down we go, guys. So that's what we're expecting on Ethereum. So remember, you see, this is just a bigger correction on the move. All right, because we've seen this breakout on the daily charts. So this will be a bigger correction, a three-wave move down before it continues. Just like this, a three-wave move down before it continues. So we're expecting something like this, 1, 2, 3. So we're expecting one more up. So after this wave is completed on Ethereum, guys. So just expect this to finish before we can now ride on this bigger wave that is coming. Okay, after that, we might see a sharp sell-off before it continues going higher. All right, so for now, we are waiting for this completion of the next wave. Obviously, we're expecting it to break this low. So expect something like this to happen and a consolidation before the market start rallying. Shiba Inu, guys. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu. As I told you guys last time, that we're expecting this market to, after this impulse, a 3-wave move down and another breakout, and expecting to break this resistance, because this is a very critical resistance on Shiba Inu chart. But the way it's going down, it's not giving us any go ahead. So instead, the market is just dropping massively. Crazy sell-off here. So we're expecting, in case it drops and break this low. Breaking this low means a lot, because that will bring a change in pattern. So if it breaks this low, that means what we'll be looking at the market is, this is a wave on its own. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and then we'll be expecting one more up. Then after that, another drop is coming. So if you break this low, guys, and Shiba Inu makes this high, then I think it will be wise for you to take profits, because after this, more drop is coming. Okay, so let's just wait and see which one happens. I pray that if it starts going up from here, that will be a very indication that the bulls are still much in control. But breaking this low, guys, means that, well, the bears are taking over. So that means we're expecting one more up, and down we go. And this sharp spike will not break these, guys. It will not break this previous high. So that is an indication. And if you want to measure exactly where that spike will end, just take an arrow and you measure this distance from here, and be able to drop it here. So in case it happens this way, I think probably that might be what we'll be expecting. And another side is, we're expecting a resistance that might touch this previous trend here. Okay, in touching this, a bigger drop is coming. That means 1, 2, 3, and after that, before the market start running. But waiting for this whole move down will be a very long period. Okay, because you wouldn't know how deep this one will go. Okay, we don't know how deep this one will go. So I wouldn't want to still be holding and be waiting for this to finish. Instead, I will take a profit here, and as it completes here, you'll be able to reload your barrel, and then the big wave is coming. Now remember what I told you guys about this. That is on the Tomo chain. All right, Tomo chain is still very much bullish. As I told you guys the other day, that the market is just correcting himself, and this is a very sharp correction, and the market is going up, and we're taking, if you take a look on it from daily, you can see there's no reason for sell. There's no reason for sell at all. So on the daily, it looks very, very, very bullish. So, and we're expecting the market to get to $4 and $6 and stuff like that. So I've been calling on this coin for a long time now, and in case you are still not there, I think this is the best time for you to buy in, because the market still has a lot of space to go. We're just beginning this move, guys, and we're expecting more move, on this pair. All right, guys, so this is where we're drawing the curtain for today, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you in the next video.